Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know me, my name is Alejandra and I like to share things about life and beauty and fashion and all the things. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my lashes every day. It takes me like 5 minutes literally. This video is obviously a little bit longer just because I'm talking to you guys and sharing all the tips and all that. Really, these lashes are versatile and you can wear them up to 20 times, which is thebomb.com. So in my video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to conserve your eyelashes, how to measure them, all the tips. So stay tuned if you want to know how I do my lashes every day. The lashes that I'm going to be using are from my lash collection from Think Pretty Cosmetics, the Embrace, and these are Empower, which are a little bit softer. I designed these to be wearable for every day, so if you're kind of looking for some lashes that will naturally elevate your makeup, I feel so beautiful in them and they save me time. That's why I love them so much. I literally wear them every day. For today's look, I'm going to be using Empower. These are my go-to. I'm just going to clip my hair, take these out, and I'm using the Empower. And so they kind of look like this. And I'll gently pull them off. So I already know that these eyelashes are a little bit too big for my eye. So I'm going to go ahead and measure these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some scissors and I'm going to cut maybe like about 3 strands. So sometimes these have a little tab at each end. You can go ahead and cut those as well. So then I'm just going to go back and make sure that that's the right size. So once you have them cut, I recommend that you go in with a curling iron and just curl your lashes. So if you have like straight lashes, definitely curl them. I am not going to put any mascara on besides on the bottom, and I'll do it at the end. I feel like when you put mascara on your eyelashes, they get ruined, they get clumpy, they won't last as long. So the goal is to have pretty lashes for the longest amount of time. So I'm gonna get my glue. Once you have a good layer of glue, just take like 30 seconds to blow on them and just make sure that the glue is tacky. So I am going to go in from above, just so that they're not sitting down, they're gonna sit up. And you're just gonna like set them in the center, kind of like that. And then from the sides, you just kind of pull them in. So I kind of like to just like let it set. I'll kind of push them in. So once you have them exactly where you want them, a good trick that I like to do is just use my fingers, or you can use this tool right here. Basically what you do is you grab your natural lashes and the false lashes and just kind of bring them together. But if you don't have this, I typically just use my fingers and just lightly like pierce them together, and then that'll make sure that they combine my normal lashes with my false lashes. And before I am all done, I'm just gonna add mascara on the bottom. And that's the final result, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial on how to put your lashes on. If you want to check out my brand of eyelashes, click the link down below. I have them both linked. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and